Headed over to meet up with Victor and Robert on a job circuit of some kind. So we'll go check out that one, see what we got going. Gotta stop and grab gas too on the way. Stay tuned. No beacon. No cheap stuff. So yeah, it seems to me like that's a little bit of a troubleshooting situation, so that should be fun. Troubleshooting is my favorite part of the job. Hello, going to 30. Yeah. Thank you.
Is it a job requirement that HOA gate guards can never be friendly? I don't know, it must be.
Alright, so we're here. Let's see what we got going on.
Victor and Robert ended up beating me to this job. We were supposed to arrive together.
So right now it's on.
Alright.
This part because, you know, I think that's definitely more than 12 foot.
Yeah, that's plenty far.
That's plenty far.
Yeah, it just needs to be 10 foot. Yeah. Alright.
So they ended up doing a lot of the troubleshooting and repairs before I even got there.
So we're removing these lights because they're dangerous. They're high voltage lights, and these particular type of lights, they degrade, and they have lamp cord right here. And I'm pretty sure it would electrify this fence. And the closest point this fence is to the pool, if you want to step back, you'll see, just go straight back, is it's about 6 or 7 feet from the pool's edge. So you want to watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 or 7 feet from the edge of the water. They're probably not even UL listed. They're Chinese, more than likely. So yeah, we're gonna, I said no charge, we'll just take it down for them.
According to NEC code 680.22, I think it's either A1 or 2, states that you can't have a receptacle closer than 6 feet.
And the other issue that we ran into was these extension cords keep tripping the GFI, so it wasn't a very difficult troubleshoot. If you look here, it's burnt. See all this soot? So it kept tripping. This is like a Wi-Fi switch. I'm pretty sure it's shot. It's also got soot all over it. So if we had smell-o-vision, you could smell this is thoroughly cooked. This side is corroded pretty badly. But we're gonna yank these cords out of here, safed off for the homeowner.
Like I was saying before, Victor and Robert got there before me, and they swapped out these receptacles that were corroded and part of the issue as well. But the main root of the issue was that Wi-Fi switch. We also replaced all the exterior GFI devices with new bubble covers.
The bushes kind of grew around a lot of these cords and stuff.
Yeah, I don't mind one bit ripping all this old stuff out of here. It only takes a couple seconds, and like I said, I didn't charge the customer. I'm honestly just glad they let us do it. Some customers won't let you take stuff like this out.
That's where it's burnt. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can find a different job to head to, because this one was a bust at best. I mean, I wanted to find something cool to troubleshoot with you guys. And these guys got here a little before I expected, because it was supposed to be a different crew that I was meeting here. But then they ended up getting stuck, the other crew. The other crew ended up getting stuck at the job they were at, because it turned into a little bigger of a job. So this crew came here without, we were supposed to meet and come here. Anyway, So they came a little earlier than what the schedule said. But we're gonna head to a different job and see what we can find. So we're about to pull up here. Hopefully this is something a little more interesting. And by the sheer law of averages, it's bound to be.
We're changing out a bunch of light fixtures at this job because of a roof leak flooded a lot of light fixtures.
Hey. Pretty good, how are you?
So we got the old school recessed lights. And then these are like surface mount.
Yeah, and she got the conversion rather than the hardwired type.
Okay.
So
we've been having pretty crazy storms around here. It's been in the news, quite a bit of flooding, and this had a roof leak that filled up all the light fixtures and ruined a lot of drywall. This fixture in particular, we're going to wait till the drywall replaces all the drywall because it's all saturated. The other areas of the home, it's dried out, and they may not replace the drywall, so we just put the fixtures in.
That's never good. That's got a lot of water, more than you
still. Jeez.
You can see a little bit of water damage on these ones.
Yeah, like I said, the rest of these fixtures, they got wet, so they need to be swapped out. But the drywall may be okay. I don't know. I'm not an expert. Right here, I'm just putting in the mounting bracket for the new fixture that's going in. I'm not sure how I like them. You put the bracket on first, and then you twist lock the fixture on.
It's regular light, and that's night light, aka vampire or zombie mode.
On these fixtures, we're going to go from a 4-inch recessed up to a 6-inch with the housing, and it's the same type of fixture that has the nightlight ring on it.
Perfect. You do the light, my light one. That's cool. I like that. That matches those lights, which is like 2,700, maybe even like less. Maybe that might even be like 2,500K. And that matches the chandelier kind of.
It's okay.
Wow, yeah. It's actually still dripping a little bit. So we're gonna leave this one out until the drywall is replaced. But these ones weren't too bad. All right.
Oh, should we take that fixture too?
Yeah, we'll get it. No business like show business. All right, take care, guys. Yep. So we got that one in the books too. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And yeah, like I said, I'll try to find something cool for tomorrow, and we'll see what we get.